yes, here we are at Salmon Pool level crossing, or Salmon Hutch. There's one wigwag over there with a barrier behind it, wigwag there, barrier behind it. I call that wigwag over there portrait because it's not landscape. I call these landscape wigwags. Another train coming if lights continue to show. Keep crossing clear. Over here it says exactly the same thing underneath this one. Another train coming if lights continue to show. Keep crossing clear. Salmon Pool. To contact railway, phone this number here. So yeah, there's where the barrier goes down. Yeah, it's a gateless barrier because it doesn't have any gates. And then here's the white light indicators. They light up as soon as the red lights on the wigwags light up. And then when the train passes, they go out and then the barriers are raised. So I'm going to go this side now. Here's the two branches. Tunnel over there. Two red lights there. And then there's that bit there. And then exactly the same thing this side. Exactly the same. Wigwags, signs, Salmon Pool level crossing. To contact railway, phone that number. And then there's the barrier. Yeah, it's Cartman. It says there, name Salmon Pool, grid reference, SX 827990. Probably wondering what these red things are behind the barriers of wigwags. They are two E2S alarms. They go off when the train goes over the treadle. And they seem quite quiet on camera. And then there's another one over here, so they both go off. This one over here as well. There's an E2S alarm over here as well. There's two of them. Some level crossings have four of them. In this case, there's only two. That there. Don't know if you can see it very well on camera. Yeah, I think someone said this is called a dagonym, but I'm not entirely sure. Yeah. So I'll be showing this level crossing activating with the wigwags lighting up, the alarms going off, the barriers lowering and raising. Do this side first, and then I'll get that side next. So yes, that was just a tour of the wigwags and alarms and barriers on this Salmon Pool / Hutch level crossing. So yeah, I shall be back in a sec. Barriers aren't sticking out too far, do they? Yeah, quite bright. Alarms are very quiet. Literally, you've got the tiniest volume ever. Coming from that red thing and that red thing behind that one. Yep, trains coming from Barnstaple going to Exeter. Here it comes. And there we go. Gonna get a little closer. So yes, that was both videos, both sides of this level crossing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yes, these things have the tiniest volume ever. That ES alarm there, and that E2S alarm there. I've got the tiniest volume ever. I barely hear them, but yes, if this video was helpful for you on showing the level crossing, the tour of the level crossing, both sides of this level crossing, then please give a like. And if you enjoyed this video, then please smash that like button, put an awesome comment below, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and yes. The next level crossing I'm going to be filming is going to be the Crediton one. It might not be both sides of that, but it's going to be the Crediton one next. So yeah, that was just a tour of this crossing, it activating both sides, that side and this side. So yeah, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next post.